Today we're going to talk about how to increase IDM download speed. First, please note that IDM shows download speed in bytes per second and some providers write their bandwidth in bits per second. 1 bit is 8 bits to download speed in IDM, maybe 8 times less than the reported connection bandwidth. Then please check that download speed limiter turned off, IDM main menu item is enabled, speed limiter feature limits IDM speed to some preset value. Such problems may also occur if you use firewall on your computer. Please note that your download speed strongly depends on a site you are downloading from, the time of the day you are downloading at, other internet applications that download from the internet at the same time, performance of your internet connection, and your internet service provider. To increase your speed, try to close other applications which may download at the same time. Try to download from a mirror site and check your IDM connection settings if you're a broadband connection. You should try to increase default max con number in options connection dialog arrow 1 on the image. Try to set default max con set to 16 or 32. If you're using dial-up, try to get 1 or 2 as default max con number. Next, try to schedule downloads and download it at nighttime. And lastly, don't forget to check with your ISP your bandwidth limits and download speeds. And that's how easy to increase IDM download speed.